Scooby's disappeared. And listen, there's more of that weird music coming from downstairs.
We better find out what's going on.
Wow, do you see what I see?
It's Scooby and that mad doctor.
Scooby acts like he's under a spell.
He is. It's that weird music.
Scooby, like wake up! Wake up, Scoob, and run for it!
Uh-oh, the dogs are coming after us.
Like head for the hills! We're safe, Scoob. Zoinks! A monster! Oh, Scoob, you know you scared the life out of me.
Quick, we'll hide in here.
We ditched them.
Like the patient sat right here, and the doctor would start the old phonograph and... Zoinks! Like he wants to use us! Take off, Scoob!
Shaggy, I'll save you. What?
Yo!
Hey!
Say ah. Ah. You ought to see a doctor. Run, Scooby! Good work, Scoob, you got